Okay, so this is how I get Steam Tools. Type in steamtools.net, press get it now. You want to download this, download stuff, which is the most recommended. After that, it will, the download thing will, I'll just download, show you, even though I already have it. Yeah, you'll have this. So, yeah, you'll have that right there. So let's just wait till it's done downloading. You're going to press this once it's done. See? Then you want to double tap it. Next. And then it will download.